I know it's been a long while, but if you remember Nick here from, I don't know, Foxton Locks from about, what, 3-4 years ago?
That'll be me.
That's him. So anyway, he's brought us out today and we're at, if we can just see it there, and we're doing a bit of a trek today, so we'll see how we get on anyway. So I know we put a bit of weight on during lockdown. So
rephrase that, one of us has put a bit of weight on.
Yeah, one of us has put a bit of weight on, I don't know who. You can see now we're at the bottom and there's the path up and people going up, so let's start anyway.
Halfway up, if I'm doing CPR, it's not my fault. I'd like to put that in as a disclaimer. It's like going upstairs.
Oh, you bastard. Over the noise of the wind, because it is a bit blowy up here. But as you can see, we're quite high up.
Yeah.
Right, and everyone, that's the end of the video today. Hope you found some of the sites a bit interesting anyway. And as usual, we've ended up at the pub.
Cheers.
As you've got to. So anyway, thanks ever so much for watching. We'll see you later.
We'll be back.